Let's learn how you can fix AirPods not charging. So first, for this you will need to find the problem and find a solution for this problem. So what you want to test out is to check if it's problem to the AirPods case or your charger cable or charger box. So first you should test out if your cable works. For example, let's test, and you can see that it's not blinking red, so it's not charging. But if we change the cable, you can see that it's started blinking red. So things you need to check is charger plugged in? Then if you plugged in the cable good, is cable okay? So I recommend you charge your phone with the cable if you have 14 or older iPhones. If it doesn't work, you can try to clean this charging port. It may has some dust on it or whatever, but if nothing of this works, you can just go to service and ask someone to fix the inside of it. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.